We plan for certain things in life and then put all our energies chasing those goals. But life has funny ways to take your plans and turn them upside down. Similar was the feeling I had on day 2 of my Meghalaya journey. I visited Sohra, formerly known as Cherrapunji, in search of melodious tunes of ever-flowing waterfalls. Hopping between clouds from one waterfall to the other, we finally managed catching a glimpse of one. Come join me on my quest of euphony. So recently I took a 5-day trip across this beautiful state in Northeast India, also known as Abode of Clouds. I was there with my friend Ankit, and to take you all through the same experience, we filmed all of it. This is our story of Meghalaya. So it's a day 2 in Meghalaya, and today we are going to this place which is almost like 60 kilometers away from Shillong. It's called as Cherrapunji. This place is known as the wettest place on earth because it rains there quite a lot. I just hope it doesn't rain today because I have all my camera gears and I want to shoot some dope stuff. So let's see how it turns out to be. I'll keep you posted. Our day started late that morning, catching up on sleep from last couple of days. We started our journey, but as luck would have it, soon we got stuck in a traffic jam. There's still a lot of traffic today. Not a good sign at all. Once we passed Shillong, weather became more pleasant, and we could clearly feel the drop in the temperature.
अभी आगे जाके देखेगा तो बहुत अच्छा लगेगा आप लोग। आप देख के पागल हो जाएगा कहाँ आ गया हम लोग। इतना खूबसूरत जगह है, अब फील करेगा आगे।
The landscapes on the way was beautiful. While we were still absorbing the feeling of euphoria, we reached our first destination for the day, viewpoint at Kurban Bridge. So this is our first stop point for today. It's actually a viewpoint called as Kurban Bridge. And what you get to see from here is the views of this amazing deep valley covered with clouds, and it feels so amazing, like it feels so good to be here. And thankfully it's not raining today, so wait, let me show you how it looks from the air. Beautiful, isn't it? We were enjoying every moment, soaking the warmth that the place had to offer despite of the cold breeze. And soon, we started for the next destination for the day, Seven Sister Falls. Few minutes into the drive, we were in a completely different world. I have only heard of heaven, but if there is one, truly it was here. We were literally driving through the clouds, and in no time, we reached Seven Sister Falls. We have just reached the Seven Sister Waterfalls, but it's very foggy over here. Like, nothing is visible at all. Like what you see right behind me is actually the Seven Sister Waterfalls. But since it's very cloudy right now, so nothing is visible. I so badly want to take drone shot of this waterfall because I was here last time and it looks pretty good. So we'll wait here for some time for the clouds to move. If it happens, then we'll take some amazing drone shots and let's just hope for the best. We waited for the clouds to move to catch the glimpse of the stunning falls, but it looked very unlikely. So I think it's not happening because we are waiting for a long time, but the clouds are still there. So I'll anyway just fly the drone and we'll try to take whatever I can. Because we are getting late, we have to go to Double Route Bridge, which is gonna take some time. So yeah, that's it. The clouds are still there. My urge for shooting a waterfall with my drone was increasing, and we started exploring other options nearby, parking the double-decker route bridge for later. नहीं हो पाएगा।
काल तो हो गए, लेकिन इतना मतलब 3000 सीढ़ी है। 3000 सीढ़ी अच्छा पैदल से जाना पड़ेगा।
3000 सीढ़ी 1 घंटे से ज़्यादा नहीं लगेगा।
1 घंटे से ज़्यादा लग जाएगा।
नहीं लगेगा।
ये इससे डाउन है ना, डाउन सीढ़ी है।
भाग के निकल जाएंगे।
अब भाग के निकल कर जाएगा। आने का टाइम कैसे आएगा? उड़ के आएगा क्या?
उड़ के आ जाएगा।
उड़ के आ जाएगा। ड्रोन का साथ आ जाना।
Finally, we took a detour and decided to visit Nokhalikhai waterfalls. By the time we reached the falls, we realized why Meghalaya is known as home of clouds. We have now reached Nokhalikhai waterfalls. This is also like a very big waterfall, but unfortunately it's foggy here as well. The weather is really nice, like it really feels amazing to be here because it's very cloudy and it's very pleasant. But the whole point of coming to this point and taking the shot of the waterfall using a drone, I think like we're not able to do that at any of the waterfall because it's very foggy. You can see like right behind me, there's the Nokhalikhai waterfall, but it's very foggy and nothing is visible at all. So I don't think so we'll be able to shoot drone over here as well. For a moment, I was slightly disappointed for not being able to shoot any of the waterfalls. But the place was so serene that it went away in no time. And soon I was flying through the clouds, living my childhood dream. We were already late for double-decker route bridge, so we decided to stay back for a while and explore the places around, with a slight hope of capturing that masterpiece. So I think double-decker bridge will not be possible today because we are way too late. It takes like 2 hours just to trek downstairs for double-decker bridge. So what we have decided is we'll go around and look at the rest of the viewpoint which are there nearby. And tomorrow early in the morning we are going to start for double-decker bridge. So Ankit is flying his drone from here. We'll take some shots and after some time we'll start from here and we'll explore the places around.
finally it was there. The beautiful Seven Sister Falls. I literally had goosebumps. It was a beautiful day and couldn't have ended on a better note. I had realized that it's not always about the destination, but the journey itself, and hence, we should make the most out of it, enjoying each and every moment. And that's all for the day. What happens next? Stay tuned for the next part from my point of view, Meghalaya.
ओ माय गॉड, कितना डिफिकल्ट था ये।
Hãy subscribe cho kênh Ghiền Mì Gõ để không bỏ lỡ